My idle hands lead to evil thoughts. That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up. Ain't gonna get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up. Cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life. So I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh. Oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
Bloody good. That's right. What's good? Bloody good. Bloody good. Yes.
My idle hands lead to evil thoughts. That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up. Ain't gonna get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up. Cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life. So I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh. Oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options. Damn, I got them options. 50 million, 100 million, living like a ball shit. Catch me in the crowd, smoking loud up in the mosh pit, screaming obnoxious till I'm fucking nauseous. I'll be going crazy till I'm motherfucking dead. I got angels on my shoulders with the devil in my head. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where I've been. You can find me in the future when the money never ends. Oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
How you gon' stunt like you ain't been drunk? Homie got the bean, yeah, the infrared tone. Throw it in the air, let it all come down. King got it underground, Came with a girl, left with another girl. Turn a hotel room to a wonder world. Only come down when the Uber downstairs. Shooting at the club now, everybody's scared. If you get money, then you throw it in the air. Really get money, then you throw it in the air. That girl, she a bad thing right there. You get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. Get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. 1 a.m. and the whole team blown. 3:45 and you still ain't slide. Why you on my line playing games all the time? King got it overnight. Roll up an L, roll up another L. Saturday night fever in the fingernails. If the pussy good, I call it Uber XL. Shooting at the club, everybody go to jail. If you get money, then you throw it in the air. Really get money, then you throw it in the air. Bad girl, she a bad thing right there. You get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. girls throw their hands on their knees. Now your makeup leaving stains on the sheets. Queen of the Maybelline, styrofoam cup in a styrofoam cup. If you play with me, you know it's head getting bust. If the chicken good, I pick a quarter thing up. Shooting at the club, send the whole thing up. If you get money, then you throw it in the air. Really get money, then you throw it in the air. That girl, she a bad thing right there. You get it from your mama, shawty, shake some good. If you get money, then you throw it in the air. Really get money, then you throw it in the air. That girl, she a bad thing right there. You get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. Get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. Get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. If you give money, then you throw it in the air. Really get money, then you throw it in the air. That girl, she a bad thing right there. Get it from your mama, shawty, shake some. If you give money, then you throw it in the air. Really.
What up, yo? How are you guys doing? What's poppin'? Good morning, good morning. Happy hump day, Win Streak Wednesday. New opportunities every day, sir. What's up, what's up, what's up? 1 in the chat if you're doing good, 2 in the chat if you're doing great, 3 in the chat if you want to get timed out because it's for bad things. 1 and 2s, homie. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good morning. I'm running a bit late on the ball here today, but we ain't got nothing going on, bro. It's all good. Dude, Dave is feeling fucking great. What's up, Dave? Matrix guy, what's up, bro? Tony, what's up, my guy? It's been beautiful, beautiful, beautiful month out here. We're looking to continue it today. I thought today, bro. I thought today we had the 8:30 and 10 o'clock news. I was wrong. Today we got CPI at 8:30. Tomorrow we have PPI. And then consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. So, which this usually doesn't do much, bro. Let's be real here. So, if we don't take a trade between 7:30 and 8 o'clock, we're chilling till about 9 o'clock. And then we'll take a trade. But we're not going to trade during CPI. And I also have a suspicion that shit's going to go a little slow until CPI. So, it's all good. Chilling. Just something to keep note of. We are smart traders out here. Got to turn on the smart hat for news days. And news days is every day, which means we got to put the smart hat on every fucking day, bro. We're smart every day out here. Nope, I'm okay, bro. I follow doctor directions. Yes, sir. All right, let's run it. So, first of all, let's go back and look at yesterday, brother. For those people who are paying attention, listening to my breakdowns, what's Matrix Gad did. Also, although Matrix Gad probably called this himself, bro. He's a motherfucking goat. He had this nice little 15-minute supply marked up here that tapped to the T. We also had our alert, bro. Literally right fucking, I swear on everything. Y'all saw it yesterday for people who showed up. And it just didn't hit, bro. It just didn't go off. So we couldn't participate in this trade, but very simple 15-minute setup. Even if you wanted to get in here, 15-minute candle break. Let me turn off this magnet. 15-minute candle break here. Put stops above the highest point of the wick that tapped the zone, which is a nice little 18-point stop loss. And you could have ran it down to where? To same way we get in the market, same way we exit. We have a nice little supply or demand sitting right here. We could have hit a nice little 1 to 2.7. Could have, should have, would have, but fucking didn't, bro. It is what it is. It is the alarm's fault, and I will never forgive it. If you did a little 5-minute break, it would be boom, tapped up there. We had this candle close, break a previous candle. Now we're looking at 11 pip stop loss, and we would have came all the way down to same shit, bro. The supply sitting down here, and look at the reaction we have, and then bounce off it. But until then, there was nothing telling us to get out of this trade, okay? Yes, we had a psychological level there. It put no respect on the psychological's names. It fuck psychological there, okay? May have respected in the past. Did not respect this time. So it's like, okay, at this point, now we're trading under the 200 as well. Let's go ahead and wait until we hit this this demand. But anyways, Matrix Gad, he participated. We could not. If you guys are wondering where the high was to take out, it was a major high sitting right here for 1. That was the major high. And then two, we also had London highs to take out, bro. Beautiful, beautiful, clean fucking setup yesterday. But we participated in these GU buys, which where the fuck is my shit at? Why did it delete? So weird. This is our trade. Boom, put stops below low here. Literally right there, bro. And then TP1 got hit. So I got taken out of my personal account. My funded account still held on to it because it was so close to our stop loss here. And it even closer than this, bro, as you guys know yesterday. Even closer than this. We're talking like right fucking here. So Hanko trade, personal, got taken out. And funded did not get taken out. So what did I do? Did I sit on my hands and bitch about it? Fuck no, bro. I said personal needs to make some money here. The zone is still holding. So as soon as we get a previous candle break, I'm hopping back in. And yes, we did call it on stream yesterday. Except this time, I was being a little bit more cautious, being a little bit more conservative, and we put our stops below this whole zone so we could allow it a bit of room to play, okay? And look what happened. TP1 got hit there as well. On the scaling. No, I did not scale on unfunded. I just re-entered on my personal because I got taken out with this bitch ass wick here. Okay. And so as soon as we hop in the trade, we're like, okay, how can we get out of this trade? Thank you, Matrix. Banger trade for you, bro. Your trade was nasty. How do we get out of this trade? Same way we entered the trade. So as soon as we came up into the zone and put no respect on the name, we busted it out right away. It's like, okay, bro, I'm not doing anything manage wise with this trade. One, until we hit TP1 we weren't doing anything anyways, but two, until we go up to where we could potentially enter the markets again because we exit the same way we enter, which would be the supply sitting up here. No, there's no gap sitting before, so we wouldn't have entered it, but just a possibility where price could reverse that. So what ended up happening is we came back down, retest. This is a nice little break and retest area. What the fuck ever. Came up, we hit TP1, so I'm like, all right, bro. As soon as we hit TP1, obviously we have this nice bullish momentum up. I'm like, there's nothing stopping us to at least coming up into the supply and then managing from that point. Well, it did. It stopped us out BE and then made the final fucking jump up there. And then this would have been our exit sitting right here. Why? Because we had a candle tap into the zone and then this previous candle low was broken. And so we would have hopped out here for a nice little 1-to-1. Same shit. But we would have got out based upon market structure and not this new lingo that everyone has been dealing with the past 5-10 years of TP1s and TP2s being based upon R to R. It's horseshit. We're following the market, not 1-to-1s. Yes, I do call it in my group the 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s. It helps a lot of people's psychology just to have it marked out and understand where they want to make 2% for today. Great. I don't really care to make 1% or 5%. I just want to get out when the market's telling me to get out, bro. You know? But one thing always remains consistent, and that is that the TP1 gets hit and we put stops to break even, bro. Always, always, always. Capital preservation is our number one tool here to staying in the game. So, sheesh. Fast forward to today. Hourly, same shit. What is the impulsive leg we're trading off of, and what happened during London? So, this is now our new impulsive leg. Okay, boom. That was highest graded. We retraced some of this previous impulsive leg from yesterday, sitting right here. And now we're coming down to retrace some of this move here that happened after New York yesterday before continuing higher, in my opinion. Yes, we can for sure continue all the way down here and start to retrace this fat fucking impulsive leg on the 4-hour. But we don't call tops. We don't call bottoms. We just continue to trade with trend, and that nothing changes today, bro. We'll do the same exact thing. So if we have a bullish bias for the day, we go look for demand setups to participate in. Coming down to the 15-minute, all this is just one candle structure, except for this guy here. But all this is one candle structure. That's why I don't have all of these lows marked out. It's just one candle bullshit, bro. Okay, this is our first nice little area consolidation and pullback, which is still minor as fuck, but that we could say, okay, we're breaking past a major low before coming down into our zone. We have a gap before our zone. We have 200 on our side. We have a demand sitting down here. We have psychological 29,000 levels sitting here as well. Support, 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 support. All of it. Okay, multiple confirmations to take this zone of interest. So we're just waiting for it to come down to it. We could participate. This is a 15-minute zone. If you go down to that darker zone sitting here, this is going to be hard because it's a very spread out move today, guys. Kind of a swing position, to be honest with you. This is our 5-minute demand sitting down here, okay? And so we're just waiting. I really want to take buys today. Nothing really happened here when we liquid grab past London lows. Nothing at all. But nonetheless, I'm buy. Anything other than that, y'all can have it, bro. Where are you going to trade sells at in this whole sequence here? This shit's just crazy, bro. This consolidation, retracement, if that's what you want to call it. Consolidation retracement, that's our new term. Is ugly as fuck. I wouldn't participate in any of these sales, but I do know for all these people who've been selling off during London, and since we kind of traded sideways here and started retracing from this huge bull move up here, what I do know is all these sellers have a lot of stop losses sitting at all these highs, okay? All of these fucking highs. High here, 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 high here. Oh my God. Okay, a lot. So a lot of liquidity to take out sitting down here. And then, of course, we have equal highs sitting up here as well to create new highs. So, anyway, looking for buys. This is like yesterday, same shit, bro. GJ we were looking for sells on GJ, we're looking on buys on GU. A little bit biased with GBP pairs, and look what happened. Both of them played out, bro. So I know people like to use correlation. I know correlation works with a lot of people, and Emmett, you should use the DXY, and Emmett, you should use the JPY basket. Within my strategy, bro, I just don't need to do so. Literally, I plan my charts out. There's a supply here, there's a demand here, and I take it. Doesn't matter what other pairs are doing, because sometimes it will play out. We're scalpers, bro. Micro moves within the market. We don't need correlation if we're not swing trading, in my opinion. Okay, so that's GU, AU. What impulsive leg are we trading off of? And what happened during London? So we have this impulsive leg sitting right here. Boom. Okay, and during London, we've just bled down, bro. We're really just starting to retrace this whole move here. 200 is flat, so we can't use that as a form of confirmation sitting right here at all. And so what do? We rely on market structure, bro, which is also bears, even with the 200 being on our side. But soon enough, we have higher lows forming, we have higher highs forming. This is going to start to trend upwards with us into a trending market, as you've seen down here for this whole down move. And then you have a side movement where market starts to stall out, and then you start to see market pushing up from this point, bro. Very simple. Same shit happens every day. You only have 3 phases in the market: retracement, consolidation, upward movement. That's all it is. There's nothing more. Price can only go this way, or this way. Okay, so how do we participate? We mark up 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute demands. We have a 1 hour demand sitting right here. I already have it marked up. It's also a 15-minute, which I need to label out. One hour and 15-minute demand. We have a major low to take out before coming down here. Same thing as GU, bro. This is all one candle bullshit structure. That's why I didn't mark out these lows. I want to have a little bit more visible lows, visible stop losses where people's orders are being taken out before we participate. This is a no-sum game, and in order for us to win, somebody has to lose. So we're trying to see where we can get these guys to lose first before we hop in. Very strategic. We're playing chess, they're playing checkers. You guys know what it is. Okay, so also, not only do we have this major low to take out before coming down, now because we tapped in here in reverse from it, we also now have equal lows sitting down here. We also have London lows sitting down here to get taken out. So if we can get some reaction once we do take that out here and not all the way down here, that's fine. Then we just take a liquid grab setup. Only liquid grab setups we take is previous session highs or lows. Okay, so if that happens, we take price up. If we have to come all the way down to this hour 15-minute, we could potentially take it, but this is that shit, bro. Like we're here, and on AUD USD, 17 pips in that direction and 30 pips in this direction. That's cap. 17 pips in this direction, pretty much like 20, 25 pips in this direction, is a decent amount of pips for AU, bro. Yeah, AU moves slow as fuck. So what we're probably going to see is price move sideways for about another hour until CPI hits, and we'll either come up here into supply and shoop, or we'll come down to demand and shoop, or do what I think is going to happen in a fucking whatever side it takes. It's obliterating the shit out of one of these zones and never coming back, and that's why we don't trade news. Okay, but I have a bullish bias. So the only reason I have this marked up here, and we'll put it red so you guys don't forget, is if we were to get into any of these entries, we have a place to exit the market as of right now. That's all this is for. I'm not looking for sales. I know they look clean. I know you guys have a minor high to take out before coming up into it. But 200's not on our side, okay? Be cautious of that shit. Daily bias is not on our side. Not even just 200. Remember, we went to the hourly and saw we on bullish structure. Just be cautious here. Alessandro said, what's good, gang? What's up, brother? Even my mom on our side, we good. Oh, we chilling then, bro. Come on now. Brandon, good morning. My bad, y'all. I got a little in the mood here. Like the stream, all 13 of you. I would appreciate it. So now that we're here, I had to delete my live yesterday. Does anybody know why? Does anybody know why I had to delete my live yesterday? I'll let you try to guess first, and then I'll tell you afterwards. While you guys let me know that, here, you can tell me in a second. But Nas, bro, what impulsive leg are we trading off of? What happened during London? Okay, same thing as yesterday. This fucking Nas is so goddamn ugly. Yo, what's good, bro? Let's get some money. Sergio, you feel me? I love when this guy hops on because then it makes me remember to send it to my group. I usually send it after we do breakdown because I already send you guys a breakdown and you should be watching it because it's my breakdown before I hop into by the way, if it cuts out, you guys know what it is. It's Zoom, bro. I don't know what the fuck is up with Zoom sometimes. You guys should be watching the breakdown I send to you because that's when I first stretch and first wake up, my first insights on the charts. And then you can just come here and solidify breakdown if you want. But anywho, I'm putting you guys in it now, Sergio, if you want to hop in. If you do want to hear my music, though, you might as well stay on YouTube, my guy. Because there's no YouTube and Zoom as you know. But if you don't like my music, it's a fantastic opportunity. So for all you guys, here's a good selling tactic. You don't like my music? I'm going to start playing some shitty ass fucking music. If you don't like my music, but you do like my stream, you can come over to Zoom and listen to my shit, and there will be no music. You get to choose your own music. Link down in the description to join. That's hilarious. Okay, now my Zoom is in the game. We here, fellas? Oh yeah, bro, watch them every day. Make sure to have that ring camera on. Them files. Nah, Rick. Before we do this breakdown, bro, dude, my fucking address was up yesterday. It's my office address, it's not my home address. So I guess that's fine, but I don't want none of y'all motherfuckers know where I live, bro. We can do meetups. Y'all can know where I'm at. Y'all can't be know where I live, bro. It's kind of weird. So, I did have to delete that. My address was up when I was showing you guys the hoodie, I think. And so I had to go, bro. And it's kind of sad because yesterday was our biggest stream we've ever had as far as consistent views at once, which was, I think, 30. Let's go see. Oh, I can't see it. We don't have analytics. But we at least hit 30 because that's what we did the giveaway. So it is what it is. I still have the Zoom saved. I save all of my Zooms on my computer. But, you know, you guys can't go back and watch it. I don't know if you remember in the morning, I went a little hard. And I know some people like that hard, mean fucking talk. I don't know why, but some of you guys get motivated from me down talking you and telling you how much better you need to do and shit. So whatever, bro. I'm here for it all. I got you. So impulsive leg, boom, sitting right here. Hella weird. I hope there's not those type of people here. Yeah, bro. Me too, bro. Make sure to have that ring camera on. Now I understand, bro. Goose to cut, you tripping, bro. You got me fucked up, bro. If I knew I wasn't getting banned on YouTube, I'll show y'all what you're in for if you come to my motherfucking house, bro. You better back up. Got me fucked up out here. I live in Florida, and we exercise our Florida laws. Just in July, they allowed you to carry a gun without a permit. So, you know they allow people to not take the driving test but they can still get their fucking license after taking a practical driving test where they drive on the road with homeboy, which is beyond me because some people are way too nice. My girl used to do that shit for a living. She was very strict and rude and bitch, if you don't know how to drive, you ain't getting your license. But same thing now with guns, except even less. You don't even need to take a practical gun test to go shoot targets or some shit. You can just have it, bro. You can go walk. I can go walk out on the street right now with my gun, and there's no issues. And concealed, not open. I can conceal carry now, legally with no concealed carry permit. And I'm for guns. I'm not for that shit, bro. People are just fucking dumb, bro. People need training. You know? It's like getting 100 racks and coming into the market and trading that bitch without any knowledge of anything at all. Even the guy with trend lines and support and resistance, i.e., the homeboy who took the driver's test, is going to do better than you, bro. But now just people think that yeah. So it's just hopefully nothing crazy happens of that. But don't give people the right to fucking smack people, bro, without getting any type of permitting. Like I said, I'm all for guns. I'm all for protecting yourself, and I'm all for people knowing that people are allowed to carry guns in this country. So it's like, maybe I won't press that guy's button today, but just allow any fucking Joe Smo to carry that shit around. When people get into a heated argument, and they don't have their emotions in check, just like somebody getting a trade and they don't have their emotions checked, and my shit be dry here, no sweat at all, but homeboy over here is fucking dying, bro, like he just got in the sauna for 15 minutes. This guy's probably gonna shoot somebody. This guy's probably going to lose the trade, obviously, but this guy with more experience who actually took the fucking permitting test is probably going to be able to control his emotions just a little bit more because he understands what the weapon does. And this guy who's traded for a couple of years and actually sticking to his strategy is probably going to win that trade. So yeah, just I think that the permitting class is fine. They should have kept that around. You know what I'm saying? If you guys disagree with me, fuck you. Okay. Anyways, moving forward. Hourly impulsive candle is moving down. What happened during London? We've kind of just been continuing up, bro. This entire move up, we've been continuing up. 200 is sitting flat, so we can't use that as our judgment. But as we talked about yesterday, we'll talk about it again today. This was our previous structure sitting right here, good sir. Okay? Pow. And what happened, bro? Yes, we broke past these lows here, but not strong. We really just held at this 14,950 psychological level and have continued higher since this point, like we were looking at a liquid grab, just like we talked about yesterday, bro. And so, unlike here, like this was our higher low, our protected higher low, and look what happened for us to confirm that change of structure. A fucking blow past it, bro. We're just not getting that here, indicating we maybe have a liquid grab, and obviously we are continuing on the bullish move up, right? So just something to be cautious of. If our smaller time frames today don't line up with our higher time frame bearish bias, that is okay. We just have to understand where price could potentially reverse on us at a supply level, since we are still in bearish structure, even though it looks like we're about to break past it here in the next couple of days, if not today. And so I have this 15-minute supply marked up here, bro, okay? There's a gap sitting before it. Psychological 15-200 is also sitting before it. So it's like, okay, we can catch buys all day long. We are in bull structure. 200's on our side on smaller time frames. Even on the higher time frame, the 200's on our side. And so I'm willing to take buys. I really think that was just a liquid grab down there, and we're going to continue higher. As a matter of fact, I don't need to think. We don't think around here. That's literally what it was. We took out these lows here, and we fucking flew from that point, bro. Right here, we tried to come down to create new lows, and then we continue to fly again. And wow, look at that beautiful dub we took. We're goddamn goats. Okay, look at that wick entry we got. Fucking nasty, bro. That was our Monday win of that aggressive entry. So we're looking for demand setups nonetheless, bro. Okay, 50FX, what's up, my guy? I'll come with maple syrup to your house. Bring it in, brother. I'm the best fucking waffle maker you know in the world. Why? Because I have a waffle maker, bro. Come on now. And so we have this major low to take out before coming down into this 15-minute demand, okay? And so if we were to come down to it, I'm about it. 5 minute, we have a 5 minute new demand that just set up. When I marked this up, we were sitting pretty much like right here at 7:15. So now we've finally made new structure. All we're waiting for is a minor low to take out before coming down into our zone, or a major low to take out before coming into our zone. As long as this major low that forms, we don't tap up here first before coming down into it, because then we're going against higher time frame bias. So a wild Dr. Dollar is in the chat. Everybody say what's up. What's up, my brother? And so I have this demand sitting here, which means I will now move my alarm up. Boom. And so if we hit this bottom zone, bro, okay, we have psychological 15,150 on our side. We have 200 on our side. We have a gap to fill before coming down into our zone. We can participate, heavy confirmation for support sitting here. And it fucking fails, right? Boom, comes down. Shoo, we get a nice little reaction here. We hop into this bitch, and then bam, fails. What do we do? We go cry, we're done for the day? No, we still have one more opportunity for a liquid grab, because these are London lows sitting right here, bro. So we have a ton of stop losses sitting right here at this point. Okay, and although every time we've been taking these overextended demands, we've been hopping in aggressively, and we've won every last one of our aggressive entries so far. If this were the one to take us out, fine, whatever the fuck. As soon as we break past here and we close back within the range, I will participate in buys to continue higher to this next side, wherever the fuck that may be at that point. Okay. But we have three opportunities here. We have this demand sitting right here. We have this 5 and 15-minute demand sitting right here. And then we have our liquid grab set up all the way down here. So let's see what happens, man. And that's all, guys. Filthy FX, my guy. Dr. Dollar, hey there, partner. I know, one of the boys I work with fucking came on her yesterday. He was like, hey, what's up, or what do you say, gents and gals? I was like, oh, fuck you old ass. Let me put on some music here. And shout out to you, William FX, over here, bro. Appreciate you for joining. I just saw that. Does anybody here, bro, put your phone? I know Dollar's ass does, because he gets 5,000 fucking messages every second. But do you guys put your phone on Do Not Disturb for like 8 hours a day? If you don't, you're missing out on hella peace of mind, bro. I think it's the best thing I've ever done in my life. The reason I put Do Not Disturb on is because of people like Dollar and Luca fucking calling me at 2 o'clock in the morning, bro. I'm like, dude, I can't do this. I just can't do this anymore. I'm going to look at Luca's shit and see how he did last night, by the way. But Naz, we're still waiting, bro. And this is kind of annoying as fuck because we have news in 30 minutes. So, like, now we're just kind of stuck here until 8:45 to see what's going down. And I would love to show you guys my hoodie now that we have time here, but I'm going to end up fucking showing addresses again and shit, bro. I'm not about it. Does anybody have a recommendation for a playlist, or am I putting my own amazing music again? Alright, well, fuck me too. I'll put my own music on. Sergio, what's up, bro? I see you here. How you doing, bro?
Pretty good, bro. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you okay. What are you on, a laptop or what?
Yeah, but I'm back in San Diego and I put my headset and I haven't used it in a while, so I wasn't sure if it was working. Why can't Zoom hear music? Is it like a streaming thing?
No, bro. It's loud as fuck, dude.
Oh, shit.
Do you want to hear it?
Nah, I'm good, bro. I still have to sleep. I don't think I need that right now.
Get that coffee. Dude, some reason, bro, it's just because I use Apple Music, and like Spotify's fine for Zoom and for Streamlabs, but for some reason with fucking Apple Music, it is yeet loud on Zoom and not so loud on fucking Streamlabs. So I try to like turn it up for Zoom, and then it's like blasting in people's ear for Streamlabs. So I don't know what to do, bro.
Oh, shit. Yeah, no, that's cool. I just put my own music.
Which is always nice, bro. I like to vibe to my. Anytime I watch Zooms, like I watch Dollar Zoom or whatever, bro, I need it to be on my own music, dude. I need to be on my own tip. One reason more Spotify. Bro, can we be real here? Spotify's been fucking me up, dude. I'm get tired of listening to the same fucking music, which I just got tired of Apple Music of doing it. You know what I'm saying? Like I have all these songs, but I still get tired of this music after a while because there's actually an algorithm on Apple Music, bro. And it like you guys have to notice this on Spotify too. Like over the course of a couple months, if you guys don't switch it up and listen to different radios and shit, it'll start having you play the same fucking like 100 songs, bro. And I think it's for an engagement thing to keep you on the app because you're listening to things you really, really like to listen to over and over again. But then over time, obviously, the listen amount on these 100 songs just goes higher and higher and higher because they're forcing you to listen to the same fucking songs, even though you have thousands of songs in your bank. And then so it just like recycles all of this shit until you break the cycle and listen to new channels. Okay, so that's what I started doing with Spotify, and I started opening up myself to like new music channels and like new rap updated weekly. Motivational speeches always when I'm driving, bro, no cap. And then like release radar, and then after a while your daily mixes will start to change, bro, to different shit because your daily mixes are created by Spotify based upon what you listen to, and then it mixes everything up. Okay, so I'm like, all right, Spotify is the absolute go. I love Spotify. Never using Apple Music again. Done. You know, look, get to save a little $15 or whatever the fuck Apple Music is too. And then I started listening to Spotify for like I think all of last year, bro. Nothing but Spotify. Anything you could possibly. I'm listening to all of it, bro. And then it just started doing the same shit to me. Like it just. I'll even go to these new, not the new ones. The new updated playlists are very good. But when I go into like release radars or like fresh mixes and shit, I think all the mixes are based upon what you hear. Because then I'll like press shuffle and press play, go to the gym, whatever, and it'll be all the same shit I've been listening to for a year, bro. So. I think my ending argument is Spotify and Apple Music are shit. And I wish there was a button where you could turn off that suggested shit or algorithm shit and you can just listen to it. Just like Pandora, bro. You know when you fresh get a Pandora and it's just like all this shit you've never heard of? It's because they don't know who the fuck you are. And then after like a month, all you do is listen to things they think you know or they think you like, so you'll stay on the app, but that just ends up being shit that you've been listening to the most. But you've been listening to it the most because they keep shoving it in your ear. So yeah, I'm just Apple Music the rest of the week. We'll do like Apple Music, Spotify, and then maybe we'll hit a nice little Pandora one day, bro. We got many streams to go. My friend showed me the song "What Do You Think About It." It's Forex related. Money Hits Different by Sir Trilly. It's part of the pre-ritual before I hop on. YouTube Music Premium is definitely better than all. I have a YouTube Premium. I don't know about Music Premium. What is Music Premium, bro? Isn't it better to do live trading from Zoom or you do it on YouTube with the idea to grow your channel, brand, etc.? Why would it be better to trade on Zoom? Yeah, of course I'm on YouTube to build a brand, bro. I'm going to get more engagement on YouTube. Zoom is paid for, and as let's all be real here, you guys don't want to pay for things. Not just you guys, everybody. People like the free shit. Okay, so if I go on Zoom, it'd be me and Sergio here on a one-to-one the whole session. You know what I'm saying? Which Sergio's like, fuck it, bro, let's run it.
Yeah, I was about to say, that doesn't sound bad.
But yeah, so I'm on YouTube to grow my channel, my friend. You know, my other videos are probably not growing my channel. Okay, we got 190 views, 104 views, 217 views, 116 views, 265 views, 201 views. This is a hilarious edit of me going on my jet ski, by the way. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. This is my first edit ever, and it's goddamn awful. Okay, when I edited it, dude, it took me like 4 or 5 hours. Just hilarious because these all take me like 2 hours to do, but I just thought it was like the cleanest, firest fucking video, bro. And then you go back and look at it a couple months later, I'm like, wow, bro, it needs a lot of work. It's kind of shitty. So, oh shit, this one's kind of doing well. shorts inconsistent as fuck, but our lives are constantly pulling in a decent amount of views. We're now over 200, now, and I'm proud of you guys, bro. We're really going very well for only starting a month ago. Okay, I mean, I guess I had a good first season too, but we're progressively growing. We had 30 people for the first time yesterday. We're guaranteed at least 150 views every stream now for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so for the past week, you know, our 4th weekend now. So I'm seeing the growth. We're doing very well. I'm doing everything I want to do, except for putting all you guys on a challenge on my fucking email so I can watch all of you trade live. It's the funnest fucking thing to me, bro. Like, I think giveaway day is now my favorite day of these streams because I just love watching other people trade. And sorry, Matrix guy, this is fucking you up. Which, by the way, he's doing well. Again, but I just love watching other people trade, bro. So if you guys feel like you're fucking ballsy out here, you're trying to get an opportunity from somebody who's really doing it out here, whatever, bro, send me your credentials. Let me look at it. I got you. I don't got you. I'm not gonna trade for you, but I'm just gonna watch it and I'll fucking DM you and talk shit to you when you're off of your game, bro, because we do this together. You know what I'm saying? That's true. I get fucked up about Spotify. There are moments I'm driving or at work and I don't listen to nothing because it gets me fucked up. It's just like it's annoying, bro. And good thing for that bullshit algorithm, I guess. Now that's why I be going into motivational streams every day and trying to better myself through listening to things that actually help me instead of listening to Migos and Young Dolph talk about killing motherfuckers and shit, which I love that shit, bro. I don't love the thought of killing people. I just love the energy behind rapping about killing people. Oh shit, what's up, Callie, bro? I see you over there. Johnny, what's up, brother? Appreciate you guys for showing up. How do you do it if somebody passes it? It's on your email so they can't get a payout? No, bro. You don't have to put it on my email. By the way, you guys switch for whoever passes the challenge, you guys can switch your email, dude, so everything gets sent to you. It ain't like that. I'm just saying. That is hilarious. I'm just saying, if you guys want to give me your credentials for no reason at all, I just want to watch you trade and comment on when you're doing bad risk management, whatever the fuck, bro. Especially if you're taking my trade. You know, for the past 2 weeks, if not longer, I've been not only giving you guys signals, I've also been managing it fully with you. Not just, hey, you could potentially get out here. Hey, you could potentially get out here, but hey, I'm getting out right here. Okay, I see why you guys want to get right here. I bet you're sweating right now. You're like, fuck, we're getting a little bit of resistance. I want to get out here. I'm like, and I understand that. I get your emotions, but this is what I'm doing here. So it's like, and we're all gonna have our different bias for sure. But if more often than not, you guys are just like hitting a 1-to-1 and pulling out, hitting a 1 to 0.5 and pulling out, or you go into 4 or 5 pips of drawdown and pulling out right away without allowing the trade to play out. All these things are issues that you need to solve, and maybe it takes a guy like me to point these things out to you so you can get on your shit. So send me over the credentials, bro, so I can watch it. Yes, it's an investor password day. So sorry, I know some people are new. When you get a challenge, bro, you don't have to give me your password so I can take trades on your shit. If you get an investor password, you can literally take your own shit. And I can only see because I'm an investor. I can't do anything. I can just only look at what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? I got brothers who did the time, I ain't kidding. Benoit said, but we nice guys. Yeah, bro, I'm a nice guy. We're just letting you know what you need to work on. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. Also, another place that we could potentially get out if we get in. For those of you guys who just joined, these are not areas we're looking at. We're only looking at buys sitting down here. It's just if we do end up entering this market, this is where we potentially exit the market based upon structure, not based upon risk to reward numbers. And I might just asshole it for real, bro, in like a month and just cut all of that. This is just a consolidation range. We just expect price to continue sideways until news in about 50 minutes. Ain't nothing happening here. But I think I'm going to take out that TP1, TP2 bullshit, bro. Just be like, you know, we hop in here. It's like, okay. Our 1-to-1 is going to be sitting right here at a 1 to 0.7 because there's a supply sitting up here, but then our 1 to 2 is way up here at the next supply, bro, which is a 1 to 3. how I actually trade. I know it looks better to put TB1 smash, TB2 smash on the fucking group, but I'm just heavily, very quickly starting to not care about all that marketing shit. I want you guys to grow, bro. Realistically, yes, I want to grow my channel. Yes, I want it to go somewhere soon so I can educate the masses, but I'm not making no money from this shit, bro. I make $0 from YouTube hopping on here every day. And we'll be making $0 for like years to come, bro. So you got to get millions of views. Not a joke. Or you make fucking pennies. My group, I'm not making any money off my group, bro. I'm making still, I think, less than like $400 or $500 on my group. That's crazy. I'm doing shit every single day, and so it's like, I'm gonna just move away from the whole marketing thing. My followers will come through results. We get results every single day, bro. People will start to come naturally over time. I don't want to do to you guys what other people have done to me, which is steer you in the wrong direction. And the TP1, TP2 shit, bro. You're hopping out right here. As soon as we break past this range here, right? Okay, we're sitting these by. As soon as we break past the range here, and this happens to be our 1 and 3, which it actually is right here. And then you hop out. It's like, what the fuck are you hopping out of, bro? This was just our resistance sitting right here, and we finally broke past it. We're getting out of the trade now, and there's nothing in our way. It's just like little bullshit like that. It's giving you guys wrong tactics as far as how to exit the markets. Now, you guys on YouTube, you don't have to deal with any of that. We talk about everything that needs to line up for us to get out of the market and blah, 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 blah. But just for my group, I don't want people to be putting alarms at 1 to 2 and 1 to 3s and shit when it's just not working. So we'll continue that the rest of this week. Callie, you cool with that? Sergio, you cool with that? Actually sending you guys the targets that I'm looking at and not just fucking wrist to award bullshit.
Sounds good, bro.
Oh yeah, man. I feel like you said, we'll learn a lot more from that shit.
Yeah, bro. At the end of the day, as we always talk about, if you guys lose 4 trades and you win 4 trades, you should never be break even or less than, because you're taking out most of your position at a 1-to-1, or doing what some people do where they take out 75 position at 1-to-1 and then try to chase higher RR. It's not real trading. Let's be real here. It's just not real trading, bro. Yes, you get a lucky path. You hit fucking 10 in a row, and so you'll be straight for 10 whole trades. But if you hit 10 trades in a row, bro, and then you lose 10 trades, if you're not profitable and decently profitable, not just a little bit above, you are doing something wrong. Risk to reward is the game, okay? Not win percentage. Risk to reward is not win percentage. Win percentage looks good. Gurus love it. Educators love it, but it's not real trading. Risk management is. So anyways, moving on. Hit the like button, guys. Yeah, like the stream. Beller, like the stream. Do they have analytics for likes? I wonder how I do with likes on streams and shit. There's so much to learn, bro. I've been enjoying all of this, the whole process of the guruism and looking at analytics and what it does and how I could tweak things. And I just enjoy business. And I've done so well at business for other people and growing other people's business and fucking selling $1 million to my business currently now, or, you know, somebody else's business last year. And so now it'll just be fun to do it for myself, bro. I'm super excited. A dude gets intricate and a dude gets detailed, bro. Anything I do to the full extent. You feel me? Oh, by the way, I gotta do a poll for you guys for my video on Friday, because I'm gonna make that after this live. Do you guys want another psychology video, which is what I did last Friday, or do you guys want a backtesting session part 2, which I think was my highest viewed thing? Just you guys literally watching me trade live and consistent too. Well, backtesting, not trading live, but consistent. Not me like picking a trade and then showing you. Like, we're just running consistent days for like a whole week or a whole 2 weeks, whatever the fuck. And I go through everything just as I was going live with you guys, so you can just kind of play along. Obviously, when I hit a trade, you guys pause the video and see if you would, you know, what setups you would take and shit before you continue. You know, quiz yourself, bro. So this is what we'll do. We'll either do another psychological video. Hold on. Psychology video. Or would you take this trade video? Or backtesting session with me. I already have preset for not this Friday, but next Friday and the following Friday. I don't know why this Friday was. I don't know how I skipped a week, but yeah, I need a good idea for you guys for this week so I can help you out. Back testing part 2. That's how I figured. It's my favorite video to make too. Because there's not much editing in it, bro. It's just consistent talking and trading. The real fucking meat and potatoes, bro. No marketing at all. Just straight up raw price action, supply and demand trading. My favorite video to make. It takes the longest to make, and for good reason. The most content by far is in those backtesting session videos. 67% is looking at backtesting so far. I figured. Fucking GU is making its way, bro. Like cruising on down. Don't like that. I do like it as a setup. I just don't like it as a news is sitting in fucking 10 minutes. So it's gonna tap into that bitch, and we're not gonna be able to play it at all. But I mean, let's be real here, bro. Look at this shit, dude. It's just so fucking ugly, bro. Absolutely disgusting. I just need a time. DJ's not doing nothing. AU's not doing literally anything. And then Naz are just continuing to make these highs now. But now, look what we got here. We got a low to take out before coming down into our zone. Confirmed setup, and now we can take this demand if we end up coming down into it. But I'm cool with this bitch just yeeting. Bloop. Closing out of this, taking out this demand right here, giving us an extra like 5-10 minutes before melting further down into our overextended demand. So we can, you know, take price higher after news. But we got news in 10, bro. We're sitting on our hands. Charge just chilling. Backtesting session with me is at 57%. Oh shit. We're getting some people catching up. Oh no, we're not. It's 14, 29, and 57. We got 7 votes and we got 20 of you in here. So yeah. We'll keep it up for a bit. You would think people would just stop voting if they didn't vote right away for people who are watching, but it's kind of hilarious when I keep it up for like 20 minutes. Like, you guys will all end up voting at some point, unless it's just new people filtering in and looking at the the poll. Maybe so. But Matrix guy said, "What is your view on gold?" I got you, my bro. I got you. If gold shows me something where I need to switch and start trading it with you guys, sure, bro. But I'm good on my 4 pairs for a while. But you guys. Every stream I go to, dollar stream, EP stream, Lucas stream, bro. Everybody wants to trade gold. This is what I see on gold, my friend. Nothing. This is what I see on gold, my friend. Nothing. Look at this. Look at this 200 MA, bro. This is what I see on gold, bro. Nothing. But let's get into it. So hourly. What impulsive leg are we trading off of, and what happened during London session? Well, nothing at all happened during London session. We're just ranging. Literally no volume on the top or bottom side. Just nothing is going on, okay? But we do have this impulsive leg that we're trading off of right here, as we did create new highs from yesterday's New York that was sitting right here, okay? So where we could potentially participate in, demand levels. So we mark them up here. We got a demand level sitting right here. Oh, that's really fucking clean. That you guys are currently sitting at right now. Go down to the 15-minute. 15-minute kind of lines up. 15-minute, you can mark it down just a wee bit here, but it wouldn't have tapped it if you did. This is literally playing off of hourly demand right now. And look what also happened, bro. Like, this is that shit, bro. Took out London lows, okay? Came into this demand sitting right here and then fucking smacked, bro. As soon as it takes out previous candle highs. Kind of a fat stop loss, I think. I think you guys would still be in this trade, actually. 16 points to get old pepperonis. And then you can look to take price, obviously, to new highs. But before we take it to new highs, we have to understand where price could potentially reverse at. Well, we got London highs sitting up here, where price could potentially reverse at. And we have a supply zone sitting up here, where price could potentially reverse at. So if you guys wanted to hop in, I would already be in this trade, sitting in drawdown right now. Okay, unless TP1 already got hit. TP1 never got hit. Am I taking this trade? No, I'm sticking to my pairs for 1, 2. There's news in 7 fucking minutes, bro. But this would definitely be the setup right here. We will monitor it, see what happens. Clean, clean, clean. Liquid grab plus demand setup. So you have 3 TPs. You have a TP right here at these highs, 83. Just for my new way I'll do next week. This would be TP1 sitting right here. This would be TP2 sitting right here. And then this would be TP3 sitting right here. Okay, for a nice little 1 to 3 on this move. That's what I see on gold. Go down to the 5-minute. It's just chop world, bro. Nothing below this that I would look to take. We can travel around the world. So yeah, I mean, if you guys get back up to entry and you want to hop in and play that that news roller coaster, bro, run that bitch. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to get slipped and just lose extra little $100. It's gambling, bro. Get your ass in the casino. Nah, I'm just joking. Be smart, guys. CPI is a fat news event that always has a decent reaction. I think this is going to be our most prized possession here. Is this guy here to just melt down, get some type of reaction here, and then yeet all the way down to our shit and then continue higher. Again, I'm just hoping that CPI gets some type of stop here for like 5-10 minutes so we're not trading right in news before we come down here so we can participate. Hello, boys. All good? Full margin on CPI? Full margin on CPI, sir. Fuck a win streak, bro. We risk that shit all. You know what's crazy to me, though? We're 12 days in. We've taken 5 trades, okay? So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in, and we've taken 5 trades. We've had 3 no trade days this month. Wow. Demos finally made to my boy. You are in the VIP. Why aren't you in the fucking Zoom saying what's up, my guy? What's up, dude? Good to see you here. And also, if you go on to, let me turn this up for you guys a bit. Also, if you go on to Zoom demos, you won't get, what's it called? Music. 1000% gain, that's what I'm saying, bro. I'm a London trader, man. Bro, no way, bro. Do you take any of my trades ever since you've signed up? It makes me kind of sad, bro. Fuck London. Switch over, bro. Yeah, you're a London trader. Mark is a London trader. I think that's it. Everybody else is New York. I think Jorge Villegas is I think he's a London trader too. No, but the knowledge is priceless. Yeah, for sure, bro. I hope you at least are able to watch breakdowns so you can see where my head is at. And then on Friday, if you go over to Friday Review under Zen Lab Education, check out. We just did it for the first time last week, but we're doing it every week now. Just go check it out, bro. It's literally going through every trade we've taken throughout the week. So you can see if you would have participated as well. You can see if we lost, if we won, what we could have done differently. The whole 9, bro. Just breaking it all down after we've already initiated those trades, which is very helpful. So, you know, you got the breakdown in the beginning of the day before we get into any trades, my first. And then second, you guys have me on live every single day. So does YouTube, so you guys can actually see me trading live. And then thirdly, on Friday, you get that breakdown. So we're tapping into each point of this of each individual trade to see how we can progress and get better and such. If you post, I watch. Oh, dope, bro. I appreciate you. So you've already watched that. You the man, bro. Yo, you're forgetting me, but I also trade New York a little. Oh, Alessandro is London. You don't trade New York a little, bro. You're here every fucking day. The little my ass. You are a multi-session trader, bro. Let's be real here. I could do London, but I'm not at my setup at home. It sucks. Trading off my phone only. Ugh. Just Rick, if you have MT4, go to MT5. If you are trading off your phone, way better. And for the simple fact of you have one-click trading. So instead of like clicking on the pair, holding it down, clicking on fucking trade, and then have to type in the fucking lot size and then click buy or sell, you can just put one-click trading where you open it up on the chart, so you don't have to go into that screen. And then it has just like on MetaTrader where you have the buy and sell button top left, it has that sitting up there. so you can, get into 3 positions at once if you want to, which I think is just fire. We're starting to retrace down now here. Oh, the volume is going in. Oh, shit. I really just hope that we just don't fucking obliterate this, bro, and we never get a chance to participate. But realistically, if we do start to take out the zone and we come down here and it's, 8:32, 8:35, I'm not taking the trade, guys. I'm not trading within that fucking 15 minutes of news. Shit gets fucked up and setups do not hold. You guys got to remember, we have very small supply and demand zone. Some of our trades are 3-4 pips, bro. We're not going to allow news that could yeet down 30 pips in 1 second, 60 pips in 1 second, to ruin our win streak, to ruin our bias, to ruin our consistency and sticking to the plan. I know it gets exciting. I know this looks like the most perfect setup in the fucking world, but this differentiates us from being a profitable trader and a gambler in these markets. We just gotta chill. Like I told you guys, because I used to be a London session trader until this year, I'm understanding that there's a fuck ton of news that I always have to deal with every single day. And so over time, we'll adapt together, bro. And if my news setups keep hitting during news, whatever, dude. I might, like I said, it's always going to be reduced risk. I'm not going to risk max during news events. But if we continue to see zones get hit and such, then we might start trading during news, bro. It is just new to me over the course of the last, like 5 months. And so until I get comfortable with it, I'm just going to continue to trade what works for me. London just really doesn't have news like that. And CPI, boom, brother. And okay, bro. And this is that shit, bro. This is that shit, bro. What can you do with this? Okay? Nas is fucking flying. GU is fucking flying. AU is fucking flying. GJ is dying. Okay, so we're correct with our direction always, because we're goats, bro. We're trend traders. More often than not, we're gonna be correct with our direction. We're not trying to turn around the market. We're just going with where the market's already going. But if we don't get that pullback, bro, look at this, dude. Look how close we were to our zone. But if we don't get that pullback down to our zone, we just don't trade. It is what it is. But this is hilarious. Let's just go ahead and delete all of our charts and start over again here in like 10 minutes, bro. Like, let's be real here. I'm dead ass. Let's just go ahead and delete our charts and start over again, bro. What the fuck? Where'd the chart go? It's gone. I can't even find the candle anymore.
I was in gold cells, bro.
No way, bro.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. Fuck. So for those who listened to my breakdown here and hopped in because you weren't no bitch, we were bitches. We didn't want to hop in because we don't trade gold. But you guys said fuck it, quit being a bitch and hopped in. Amazing, bro. You guys are sitting at a 1 to holy fuck right now. Fantastic execution, bro. Whoever asked about gold, if you didn't hop into this, bro, I'm very disappointed in you, my guy. But our analysis was correct, bro. It was a liquid grab of session lows, and we were fortunate enough to get that demand at 1 hourly demand with a nice gap sitting before. 200 is on our side. A plus setup is during news, so, and it's gold, so we just don't take it. Look at my Discord demo profit. Uh-oh, bro. On gold, come on, bro. That's so fire. Look, my boy Alessandro ran it up, bro. Here's his entry right here. He said, man, fuck it. Emma says get in this bitch. We get into this bitch, bro. No fear. Came hella close to stop loss sitting down here and then just flew. My man is eating demo salad for the rest of the week, bro. Eating out here. Great job. Matrix, you getting anything, bro? You chilling? You practicing your risk management? Boogie, are you in here, bro? I'm watching you. You're supposed to be an experienced trader, so we watching you, bro. Boogie. Oh, damn. Boogie is working, bro. Boogie takes a lot of trades. Holy fuck. There he is. Boogie, you take a lot of trades, bro. Some people just be hitting like that. Appreciate all 23 of you guys for showing up. Make sure you like the stream, bro. Show us some love. If you guys weren't here for the giveaway yesterday, I think it says giveaway day today. I mean, we might, you never know. I might give a little free Zen Lab month. Who knows? Have to stick around to figure it out. But we did end up doing our giveaway yesterday because we had 30 people view our live stream for the first time, bro. Which it looks like we might hit 30 people today too. So I was very accomplished about that, and ended up giving away a nice little challenge. Boogie ended up winning it. That's what we're talking about. Okay, backtesting session with me wins. And so now we're seeing what the man does. But he's doing well. I fucking love watching people trade, bro. Let's keep it 100. He said I played around a bit. Faked me out and went to TP. Should have removed stop. Ben on what, bro? On gold? Oh, you're the one who did ask for gold. How the fuck did you? What, bro? It didn't take you out. She got a shit broker. Like Hanko trade yesterday, taking me out, bro. It's kind of brutal. Dude, that's amazing, bro. Honestly, CPI news is amazing, bro. It really fucking is. Absolutely amazing. I mean it. Chilling, bro. Not taking anything till it lines up. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Good job. Demos, what do you trade, bro? What are the pairs you trade? I'm very, very interested to know. Daniel, what's up, bro? I see you, my friend. You be trying to hide out here, bro.
What up, what up, what up?
How you doing?
Not bad, not bad. I got the coffee.
I'm on level 1 coffee, and I'm very close to level 2 already. How do you drink your coffee? Black?
Yeah, I got an espresso machine.
Bro, them
straight shots and cream.
Oh, gang. Yeah, same, bro. I don't use no milk or anything. I don't think that's a bragging point. I think that's old. I think most people who drink black coffee are above the age of probably 50, bro. so I think we're pushing it there. GJ, EJ, AU, GU, and AJ. Okay, so me and you only trade GJ, AU, GU together. I don't trade EJ or AJ, bro. Matrix guy says no, bro. Leave that stop loss for real, bro. Please leave that stop loss, my guy. If you don't have a stop loss during news, I hope you're only risking 1%, my friend, or 5%. You know what I'm saying? On your personal, not on a funded challenge. You out here trying to put no stop loss on. If you're trying to put no stop loss, bro, you're gonna have to get out of the chat, bro. We can't deal with no stop loss guys, period. I just can't deal with it, bro. We shouldn't even be talking about this. All right, so let's mark out our new. Yeah, my camera's on YouTube, just so you know, Daniel. Let's mark out our new setups here, guys. Obviously, it's going to take a while to come back to us, if it ever comes back to us at all. I mean, like, dude, what the fuck is this, bro? On NAS, we only have a light 100 points to come back to us. So, does that guarantee we have a no trade date? No, bro. I'm in the mood to gamble, so we have to fucking gamble. We just have to make it a correct, precise, intricate gamble. So just wait. Okay, so we're waiting for to participate in this buy. Well, we're waiting for price to come back to us and waiting for some type of low to be taken out before coming down to us. Somebody is going to look to buy at 50% of this gap being filled. Someone's going to look to buy as soon as we hit the psychological level 15,250. We all know the direction the market is going to go now, right? We all do. We are all looking for buys now. We don't think that market can possibly come back from this whole move up. And all of us smart traders, we don't pick tops or bottoms. And so what we have to do is understand that somebody's stop needs to be taken out before we can hop into the market. These motherfuckers got to lose so it can come down here, gain liquidity, and win. And so we're waiting for that minor low to be taken out before coming down, or for that major low to be taken out. Why is it a major low? Because we made new highs after creating this low, then come down, tap into our zone, and then we can continue higher. Or disrespect the zone altogether, come down to these bottom zones, and continue higher. But here's the issue. We're sitting at about 840 right now. And, God, this song is old as fuck, dude. Threw me the fuck off. Ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar. And so we just start to come down from here, bro, and retrace this whole move within like 15 minutes. I'm not participating in that at all, bro. I don't want to see a fat fucking wick sitting here on the on the hourly or anything, bro. If we just, it just has to slowly kind of come back to us and kind of trade sideways, indicating a retracement. Not that we're just trying to blow out some type of high. So, oh, and look at, here we go. See, this is what I'm talking about. We have two highs sitting right here. Follow along, guys. We're getting a little saucy here today. So we have two highs sitting up here, bro. Okay, and so if we just start rejecting from this point here, you know, liquid grabs and supply and demand zones is the only way we enter the market. Let's be real here. And if we just start to take out this final high, which we just now at this exact moment took out, and then start to just yeet fucking back down like hella heavy, that just indicates that we had a nasty amount of orders sitting up here that they paired with to take price lower and start to take out all of these higher lows, because at some point obviously this whole move needs to be retraced. Again, we don't pick tops, but I need to see a progressive retracement to come down to our zone, not just straight up candle, straight down candle, and then straight up candle again. You guys just don't see that, okay? You don't get a fucking fat up candle sitting right there, and then immediately afterwards we get a nice little close in our zone here so we could hop in, and then the very next candle it's like shoops, come all the way back up. Has it happened before? Duh, bro. More often than not, this shit just does not happen. It's not how the markets move. So just something to be wary of, something to watch out for. We'll see what happens. Oh shit. Dope. That's the point. You just sell it and put a 1 pip stop loss. You know what I'm saying, bro? Just run it. Fuck it. So on GJ, yes, we still have a bearish bias. But now how can we participate? Honestly, bro, like nowhere. We have this decent 15-minute supply sitting up here. It's okay. Nice little gap sitting before it. We got a nice little major high to take out coming up before it. It's sitting at our nice little psychological 18500 level, which we hope to continue trading past now and not kind of breaking above it. And again, we've already broke past these London lows, indicating that we already picked our direction for the day. I don't like too much how this zone looks on the 5-minute. But I dig on the 15-minute that we do have that psychological level with that. So let's see what happens here, bro. Like I said, the charts are just kind of fucking ugly today, bro. GU's kind of fucked up for the day, potentially. We came so close down into our demand zones. We didn't even tap into our hourly demand zone, and then we just flew, bro. Like, there was nothing we could have participated there. And so, okay, we're still looking for buys. Where can we look to get in on buys? All the way down here at this 15-minute demand, bro, which is probably a nice little 50 pips away. Let's go ahead and see. 45 pips away. And again, same exact thing every single day, bro. We're just waiting for a major low or a minor low to be taken out before coming up into our zone. This is a 5-minute demand. This is 15-minute demand. 5-minute demand, 15-minute demand. And we're just following trend over and over again. But fuck news, dude. It's kind of trash. Not gonna lie. Same thing with AU. Just like same thing with all the pairs. We were correct with direction, bro. We understood where price was going. We called out what was going to happen. We're just going to trade sideways until news. As soon as news hit, we're just going to blow everything the fuck out, right? We had the supply sitting up here, so if we were to get into a trade, we could potentially look at where to exit. And then we had the supply sitting up here, so if we get into a trade, we could potentially look where to exit. It just blew past them, bro. It's a done deal. And so now that we have new structure, we just have to wait for a retracement, which is going to be sitting right here. Boom. We'll put our new alarm sitting up there. All we're waiting for is some type of low to be taken out before coming down into the zone, and hopefully it's a major low to take out, because I'd really like to see some aggressive action pushing above the 67,500 area before coming down into us to confirm that 67,500 is not going to hold, and we do expect to push price higher. And then going to NAS 100, yeah, same shit, bro. Same shit we just talked about. We're just waiting for that retracement. So, first of all, my God, dude, like, how annoying. Fat fucking moves. All right, George. Is it George or Jorge? My boy's in the Zoom. My guy.
What's up? It's Jorge.
Okay, for sure. I'm sure hella people call you George anyways. Where you from, bro?
Yeah, I'm from Margarita Island in Venezuela.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, been here for a couple of years now in Orlando.
You live in Orlando?
Yeah,
Bro, you like an hour and a half from me. That's right, I forgot about that.
yeah, you're in Tampa, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I remember from I've been seeing you for like a year now from in Dollar Stream.
Bro, do you still trade London every day?
Cause I'm trying to change to New York.
Me too,
Cause
bro. Get that shit out of there, dude. It's fucking a miserable life.
yeah, but that's what I wanna see how you guys trade first. Try to learn a bit before getting into the trades.
Yeah, especially because it's different. I'm way
Yeah, it's
different than
something
Dogs. 100% different than
completely
what he's
different.
trading. Yeah. So.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I'm, I was a bit late because my family's here, so I was sleeping in the couch because I gave him my room, and I couldn't sleep at all.
Dude, what is
So
up with people doing that? My ass does that
yeah,
too, dude. My fucking family comes here and I let them sleep in my fucking bedroom, and me and my lady go sleep in the master bedroom or in the guest bedroom. I'm like,
yeah.
bro, who am
So
I?
so I couldn't sleep well, and I couldn't woke up early, but here I am
Here
trying.
you are, bro, showing up every day. I appreciate you for being here, my
Yeah.
guy. And we now have live sessions for like a whole month, bro. So if you want to hop in and watch all breakdowns for like all breakdowns are what, guys? Probably like 10, 15 minutes in the morning every single day. I have my intro and then I do my breakdown and then we kick it until we get into the trade. So if you want to just like skim through 5 or 10 of them, bro, I think you'll pick up what we're doing here very, very, very quickly. It's really
Yeah,
just not
yeah.
that crazy.
I'm gonna try to be here every day. I had a question.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how do I calculate the lot size for NAS 100.
Bro,
Because I was
I use magic keys, and it depends on what your contract size is per broker. But I literally use. Do you know what magic keys is?
yeah, I got magic keys too.
Okay, so that's all you have to do is input what percentage you want it to take, and then or dollar amount, and then it'll take it based off of magic keys. Because not all brokers are contract size 1 anymore. It's like MFF is 10, I think FTMO is 1. And so one is going to be 10 times the lot size number than the other one. And that's why I don't know
Yeah.
if you've been putting in like 0.5 and you're only getting like pennies out of the trade. You're like, what the fuck? Because it's supposed to be like 50 lots, bro. So
Yeah.
I that was a weird culture shock to me going from FTMO to MFF, bro. And it's like, dude, especially when I was doing a 200K for somebody, bro, I was dropping like fucking 400 or 500 lots a day on NAS. And I'm like, what the fuck? But it's just because they're micro lots. So yeah, Magic Keys is risk management, literally. I hate to market somebody else's shit, but Magic Keys is literally the sauce, bro.
Yeah, it's helped me a lot. Magic keys to be more responsible. Well, magic is responsible for me, so
Yeah, you're forced
it
into it,
helps a lot. Yeah.
If you're a specified lot trader, cool, bro. Fixed lot trader, you guys just use 1 lot per trade. Every single pair, great. That's one thing, because then you guys are going based off of how many points and pips you make throughout the week. But for you guys who are percentage traders, bro, you're only trying to risk a certain amount of money per trade or percentage. Magic keys, baby. For you guys who are having a hard time with risk management, you're nervous on when to get out, or you can't hold your trade past fucking 3 pips when your TP1 is 10, magic keys, my friend. You guys can literally set your stop loss. You can set your partial TPs. You can set your full TPs. So literally, okay, you guys get into the market, right? And you set your stop loss, and then you set what's called a stop loss to break even. So when you set that stop loss to break even, as soon as price hits that point, it automatically puts your stop loss to break even. Okay, and then they have a take profit button, so or a target button. So every time it comes up to your target, as soon as it taps there, you can pick how much percent comes out of that first target, whether it's fucking 50%, 25%, or whatever. So what does that mean for you people who are nervous about looking at your trade? We're now hands off, bro. You don't need no alarms or anything if you know how you want to exit the market. Me personally, I like to see what price is doing so I can get out based upon what's actually happening in the markets at that current time. But for those people who are struggling with that and just want to focus on executing your trade idea, not more so the management part of it, dude, Magic Keys, bro. It's literally hands-free. You set everything, you walk away, and then you can come back the next day or come back in a couple hours and see if everything played out or not. It's just that simple. Do you use those or the partial TP button? I actually don't use any of those buttons, bro, because I'm sitting here the entire time. So I use open calc, and then I open a trade. There's a yellow. Oh, here, bro. I'm tripping. My bad, y'all. I have this version as well. So stop loss at entry. So as soon as price starts raising up right here, let's just run through it, bro. Am I really just marketing Magic Keys right now? Whatever, dude. It's all good. So we hop into the trade right here, okay? And then it comes up to this point sitting right here. This is our auto BE, okay? Which is going to be green. Boom. As soon as it taps it, it goes into auto BE. Or if you don't use that button, which I don't, okay? So it comes up into this point right here. I click stop loss at entry, and then it puts my stop loss at entry. Automatically, boom, one click. And yes, it's easy on MetaTrader 2. You can zoom it up, but it's just nice to have it all on one platform. But if you guys put stop loss and profit, you can go into the settings and tell it how much you want that stop loss and profit once you're already in profit, okay? So let's say price comes up to here, and you click stop loss and profit, and your stop loss and profit is like 2 or 3 pips. Then boom, it's gonna move your stop loss to 2 or 3 pips in the profit. They have a close full, close half, close custom, so you can set that to what percentage you want. So these are the three that the one that I use and one that I use. So if price is coming all the way up here and I want to close half, click close half. If it comes up here, you want to close full, click close full. And they also have market pending to use stop orders and stop limits and stop orders. How much is Magic Keys? I'd look it up, but I'm driving right now. I don't know how much the new version is. Do you know, Daniel? I know the one is 150, and then the online one I think is like $30, something like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Does anyone know if you could use Magic Keys on Mac?
Yeah, I remember you asking that, bro. Does anybody know? I feel like most people use Magic Keys. Boy, that boy made a bag off of Magic Keys. Sheesh. Can you use it on Mac? He said they do now. Yeah, that's what I thought.
So on Mac, it wasn't available because I bought it like a couple months ago, but I couldn't use it because I have a Mac. But now they added like a new version, so you can use it now on Mac.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, thanks, bro.
You guys were coming up into this 15-minute supply, dude. I just and it has a very nice reaction. Love it. I just hate how it looks in the 5-minute. Like, just looks like nobody's trading from this down. You know what I'm saying? But it's also a little break and retest. Okay, broke past all these lows here, coming back up to retest it and may continue lower. Let's get ready here. We're now 20 minutes after a new session, so we'll see how this holds up to get into these sales, okay? High probability. Sure, we have a high to take out before coming up into, but it's that one candle high, bro. It's just a better high on the 5-minute right here that we just took out because we have that 2 candle structure, and it's also a major high. We do have a 15-minute gap sitting before the zone, a fat gap that we just filled in completely. We do have the psychological 18500 that we don't want to move past, and we do have a break and retest. We're also retesting London lows. I mean, we have it is a high probability setup. It just looks ugly as fuck on the 5-minute. Let's be real here. Look at the reaction we're getting, bro. We already got a tap, and so if we were to actually break past this guy here, realistically should be getting in a trade with the 18 pip stop loss. We're kind of looking to tighten that up a bit here to potentially like a 13 to 15, you know what I'm saying? So as soon as this candle closes and the previous candle lows break, hop into this trade. Where are we looking to get out at? Well, same way we get in, bro. It's a very fat zone, so it's like, ugh, I don't really like that fucking demand, but nonetheless, it's a potential area where price could reverse at. I don't want this fat fucking zone on our chart, so we'll just put a line there, okay? Make it red so we know. Or I'll make it this color as a TP. And then we have our second TP, which is going to be right at psychological 180 even, and then obviously our third TP is going to come all the way down here to the lows of the day for a nice little 1 to 3.7. So we'll see what happens here. Will the win streak continue? It's always fun to see. Will it be 6-0 or 5-1, bro? We're about to find the fuck out right now, okay? As of right now, stop loss is going to be sitting above these highs here. And so what happens if we were to get taken out of this trade, but the zone still holds? Will I get into it? I doubt. And look, now we're putting no respect on the name, bro. So I doubt it, just because I'm already shaky about how this 5-minute looks here, bro, and how nasty this fucking grab was on the 15-minute here. So again, we don't call bottoms, we don't call tops, we just trade with trend. But I will not give this trade a second opportunity if it doesn't win the first time. No cap. You getting in on that one? Hell yeah, I'm getting in on this one, bro. And follow strategy. We shooters out here.
Gold, bro.
You said what?
I took the pullback on gold.
For sales?
Yeah, dude, I got it in at 1948.
What the fuck, bro? Are you trading off of this 4-hour supply up here?
I'm out already, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Were you trading off of the supply here, though?
Yeah.
Bro,
I knew
that's
it
so
had to pull back a
nasty.
little bit.
Yeah,
just-
it's so nasty.
I got in and got out. Got my profit.
Easy money for the day.
It's against my rules, but I knew it was gonna pull back.
Ooh. Going against the rules don't feel bad when it wins. It's like, bro, I knew it. But then when it...
I just figured I had to pull back, bro.
That's what we all say, bro. I knew it. I just had to take it, bro. And look, it played out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, TP1 here for the rest of the week. Yes, we are doing the fucking 101, 102, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, I don't like that closing the zone, bro. It's probably not going to happen, guys. We'll see here. Be patient, guys. It's such simple trading, dude. It's not like a if blah, 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 blah happens. If this previous candle low doesn't break, bro, don't hop into the trade. Just fucking chill. UJ looks better than GJ, Bendoa says. Listen here, pal. There's only GJ around here. There's only GU around here, AU and NAS. Okay? 21. So this will be a grand about 15 pips. Remember, give you guys just a little bit, and nothing crazy. I know I said a couple pips yesterday. I actually don't agree with that. Like 0.5 pips, bro. Just give it a little bit of room to breathe so what happened yesterday doesn't happen to you. Get ready here, guys. Nice little 15 point. Oh, shit. So now we have a new TP1. Yeah. Okay, Dare Boogie Down, you're fucking fun to watch trade, bro. I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but this is extremely fun, bro. This is like your 20th trade today. I'm all for all of it. Just because you don't trade my way, so I don't have to talk shit to you, bro. I could just watch you trade. If anybody else, Matrix Guide, you try to pull that shit, bro, we're gonna have a talk. Okay, get ready here, guys. 21 news game. At the top of the food chain. Let's see what happens here, sir. Fuck, I did not get it on my funded yet. I'm in on my personal though. And as soon as we break past these lows again, I will be getting in, guys. Don't you worry, pal. I'm not a FOMO kind of guy, so like if I miss my entry and we're in hella drawdown, I'm not gonna be like, oh, now we're I didn't send it to group yet either, so chill. For whoever's not in, just wait till you to re-break lows. Bro. Just chill. Just happen a little fast. Emmett, your consistency is fire. Appreciate you, brother. There's no what ifs around here, my guy. You know that. Just wait, guys. If you guys didn't get in, if you already got in, great, fantastic. Hold that bitch out. Don't be scared. But if you didn't get in yet, just wait. Wait for it to break lows again, bro. It's all good. Just chill. You might save yourself a loss here. You never know. Run it up the bucks down. Get a little extra confirmation here too if we re-break lows. You know what I'm saying? Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Running up the bucks, damn. For the people who are in there, like, I know, yeah. I just know how I used to feel, bro. You're like, fuck, I want him to get in so bad. Yeah, that's hilarious.
Bro, you have me rolling, man.
I know some people just need that motherfucker to be in the trade with them, bro. I know how it feels,
It's a
bro.
confluence, bro. It's a confluence.
Exactly. I'm here, bro. Don't worry, guys. I'm here.
I just have a hard time with the, like, how you say to give it some space on the stop loss. It's just like, I feel like it's so subjective, yeah.
It is the one thing that's subjective. Just because I can't give you an exact pip amount, you know what I'm saying? But you can,
Yeah.
okay? So it's 14 pips here, so do 1 pip above. Just feel like it's, I mean, that's what I am. I'm at a literal 1 pip above for this trade. Okay, yes, I'm in with you guys. Don't worry, bro. I'm here. Confluence here. Now that I'm in, it's gonna bleed down. We're all good, bro. Just relax. I don't think the streak is gonna lose today. Could it potentially lose today? Sure. Is it possible? I guess. Is it unlikely? Pretty unlikely. Daniel, you in this trade, bro? Or are you in this trade, bro? Johnny, Callie, Sergio?
I'm in.
Yeah, I'm in with you, bro.
All right, let's run it, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, I sent you my credentials too. Let's get that accountability.
Where'd you send it to?
Discord.
Oh, I see it. Dude, I'm my guy, bro. Accountability like a motherfucker, bro, to have people watching you and shit. It just makes you think twice. And like, especially if Daniel, you pretty much trade the same ways. And he says like, you hop in that trade, you know my ass, oh my God, it's an ugly open. You know my ass is going to come back and look at it, bro. Our hourly candle is open, guys, so we have to hit up top wick before a bottom wick. So just be a little cautious here. There's nothing we can do, bro. If you lose the trade, there's nothing to manage. There's nothing we can do besides just take the L and cry about it later. But yeah, hella accountability, bro. I'm about to actually log into your shit right now, sir. Is it Oh,
Yeah,
you got MT4. Okay. Dude, I hate MT4, bro. I'm not gonna cap. I literally hate MT4. Nova funded. So what is the broker? This isn't looking too good, guys. Imagine all the times I've said that.
Oh, I need to include that. You're right.
What the fuck is that? If we dude, if we start to fucking flip already, this should be a goner, my friend. But let's see. Oh my bad, I haven't looked at comments in a minute. Okay. Buzz it down. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm in. If it loses, y'all know the vibes. Hey. I only like putting in when I'm in profit. It's foreign exchange clearinghouse. Oof, very scary, guys. Very, very scary. Foreign exchange clearinghouse. Yeah, I've never heard of it, bro.
Yeah, I never either.
Account is 146829. Password is JG. Nah, I'm just fucking with you, bro. Is that a capital U? It is. Shit. Damn it. I fucking hate these passwords, bro.
I can. You can copy and paste it, I think.
I know, but I'm already too deep, bro. I can't open up the Discord on my phone now. We just gotta run it now. You know what I'm saying? 5 UT. Oh my god, content or content. Comments. Is the trade still valid if it closes in the zone? Yeah, it's still valid, bro. It makes it a little bit scary, but for us to open up in this 5 minute and come past this high and then start to bleed past, this feels good to be in the trade. Does it feel good now? Fuck no. It looks like we're about to get taken the fuck out, but it is what it is, bro. These things happen. Emmy, your consistency is fire. Joining your live for the first time after Dr. Dollar streams. Always used to join because you were on. Dude, appreciate the shit out of that, bro. Thank you very much. I'm going to show up sometimes there. It's just really hard for me to get up at that time, to be honest. Imagine you showing up to our first stream and we get fucking taken out for the first time in 6 streams, bro. You gotta go, my friend. I'm just kidding. It's all good. We are out of this trade, bro. Let's see what happens if this zone holds. I'm just probably not going to take it a second time, to be totally honest with you, because I was a bit shaky about it in the first place. But if all rules, we take it. We're now 6-1 for the week, or for the month. Let's go put it in, see what our win percentage is. I got filled weird. First time I'm trading CFD, so I don't know how exactly they behave. Damn, bro. Okay, so win streak ends on win streak Wednesdays, guys. What can you do? It's L here, so now we're trading at 83.33% for the month. Nothing hit, and boom, we're journaled. Here's what it is. Got no time for no bitch. If this zone still does hold and you guys want to give it a second chance but stops above the highest wick, cool. I'm just gonna chill, bro. I'll stay out of the setup and kick it. If we get another high probably setup, we'll hit it just like this guy right here. Check this out. Now we have a minor low to take out before coming down into our zone. You know what I'm saying? So if we can come down there, tap into it, give us a nice reaction, we take the trade. If we never come down, we continue higher because CPI, that's fine. We just don't hop into the trade, bro. And then AU, same exact thing. Beautiful setups for me here now. So far, we have a minor low to take out before coming down into it. As soon as we tap in, fill in this gap, using 200 MA as our form of support, using 67,000 level as our form of support, and our demand. If we get some type of reaction, we can look to take price higher. And I'm sure the same thing is NAS as well. We now have this minor low to take out here before coming down into our demand. So all we're waiting for is these things to come down. It's not early, but it's not late, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, for my trading time, just kind of right in the middle. We haven't had session open up, so we could definitely get the volume to come back down and tap into one of our zones. It's just gonna take some time. Any questions? Look at that, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. Because now it tapped into this 18500 level and is reacting. So it's like, what are we really going to do here? Our 1-to-1 is still pretty much right at that supply sitting right there. To hit lows, do you still hit a 1-to-3? Almost. 1-to-2.8. We'll keep this here for a second, but I got to put my other trade back up because I log all my trades and shit. Y'all know I keep them for like a couple months before I delete them. My GJ high is 184.64. One tick above for the stop loss would be 184.74. My GJ high. Oh, you're talking about for stop loss? Yes, exactly, bro. So like 40 right now to 42, that's a 2-pip jump. You see we're at 423. If we're to go down to 400 even, that's a 2-pip jump. 44, 2-pip jump from 42. Matrix guy is still in. I think Matrix puts his stop above the zone more often than not. He's got a little 20-pip stop loss right here. He's still chilling, bro. I'm out of this, guys, completely. Did I get in? Yes, sir. I am in, Mr. Daniel Schmidt. It's time to get crazy, bro. 200K, bro. You're such a beast, dude. Came a long way, bro. Hella proud of you, seriously. It's awesome to even look at that shit. So now what happens right here, guys, if this candle were to close, if it doesn't break past these lows, now you guys all of a sudden have a 10 pip stop loss, which is clean. We haven't broke past the zone yet here. It's not showing any respect in the zone. I think we're going to bust past it. But for Matrix God's sake, I hope that that motherfucker melts down. You know what I'm saying? And now, of course, GU and GJ are going to correlate with each other and continue higher. So I'm really looking for buys on GU. We're kind of getting disrespected on our GJ sell. So we could just kind of revert away from it for the day. I still got one more in me if we find something, bro. Who else is sending me their credentials? You never know, bro. I might just, if you don't send me investor password and send me your regular password, I might hop in there and take a little dub, bro. I'm just kidding. What did Daniel do, bro? Did he give me the real password, bro?
Yeah, they don't have investor password.
Why?
I don't know. It's a good question. I've noticed some firms don't.
How do you feel about MT4 versus MT5, bro?
I like MT5 charts better, but I don't know. Yeah. MT4 is
this
started on.
Me too, bro. So okay, so Matrix God isn't out of there, guys. We can go ahead and delete this idea altogether. We have to wait for that higher level to hit. So MT4. First thing that we all started out with, all of us old cunts in the market, including Daniel himself and myself included, had a hard time switching to MT5 because we're so used to this shit. But when MT5 came out, the reason why it came out, it's a new version. Just like Magic Keys came out with a new version. Just like fucking Ford comes out with a new truck. You know what I'm saying? It is to upgrade things that they failed at in the past. And a couple things was like market execution is supposed to be a bit faster. Going into your phone, you can actually trade off of your phone. Like, unlike MT4 I just found out the other day, whoever the fuck told me that, if you turn it to the side, you can trade off your phone like this. But once you put it upright, you can't do it anymore, bro. It's kind of gay. But MT5 just has it right away. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just sitting up there where you can click. Yeah. You can. It's just one click. So it's just little shit like that. Trading from your phone, MT5 is completely superior. And also you can move your stop loss up and down on your phone on MT5, just like you can do on the computer. You can't do that shit on MT4. So, I mean, in conclusion, I think that if you're trading from your phone because you don't have a computer, whatever the fuck, which is retarded, by the way, you are retarded if you're doing that. I think MT5 is a lot better, but if you guys are trading from your computer, which you should be, I don't see the difference between the two at all. I'm just going to grab coffee, bro. Give me like 5. Let's take a break. Let's relax. Shake it out real quick. I know some of you guys are fucking hurting so bad because it's the first stream you've ever watched me on and we lost our trade. And it's like, fuck, bro. This is, of course, my luck and I'm fucked up again. Literally 6 trades in a row. And as soon as I hop on, this guy loses. Like, I'm never going to make it. Blah, 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 blah. The market don't care about none of that shit, bro. Get up. Go shake it off. And we'll come back to it here in 5. See you guys in a second. I'm about to feed my dogs, too.
Mic check. 1, 2. I'm just gonna get right to it. Luda! Ain't nobody fucking with me when it come to getting lyrical, murdering a rapper and killing beats, nigga. I'm cinematic, making everybody panic. I be busting like a fully automatic to the heat, nigga. We could battle in the Phantom in Atlanta, the Rover in Minnesota, or the Arizona streets, nigga. They taking all these offensive lines. I snap back, just the quarterback sneak, nigga. One time for the sneak distance. Old puss ass fuck boy, say my name. Anybody coming at me know I never back down. Killing the rappers, my claim to fame. You lame. And my flows would expose any hoes, even on a nigga worst day. They saying Luda don't want it no more. Now nigga, I'm as hungry as the first day. What you want, how you want it, you can get it. I'm the definition of a real G from the south side. The crime scene be the studio. Get the yellow tape and the talk and I'm leaving everybody outline. I'm all about mine. Getting paid, getting laid, getting clothes, getting hoes, getting greenbacks. Used to be like everybody as a little kid, now big boy, outcast like 3 stacks. Laying all in the Cadillac with a red bone, giving me dome, my music on with the seats back. Ludacris, this is album number 8, and my pockets gonna be straight, even if a nigga leak that. See me all up on a David Banner track with Janet Jack in the back, like damn, Luda freak that. Break it down like you drop it to the ground, but we like the 808 in Atlanta, so bring the beat back. Sample, had to eat that, couldn't control, alt, or delete that. But put any other rapper on the track and I guarantee they'll never know how to
All right, boys, we back at it. What's up? Oh, right when we get to the horror part of this song. Thank God, dude. Let me change that out there. This is, bro, the first time I listened to the outro of this bitch, I was like, on my fucking, oh, what happened? Okay, could you guys hear music? Not you, Zoom. I know you guys can't hear it. Suck it up. Suck it up, suck it up, suck it up. Shoo. Looks like we're starting to just continue to climb here, guys. Which is fine. It gives you new setup as soon as you break new highs. It just prolongs our time. Losing's part of the job. You know what I'm saying? Losing is a part of the job. It is a part of the job, bro. Is it ever fun to lose? No. Do you actually get used to losing? Actually, yes. You actually do. You get to a certain point where you understand that your strategy is king. You understand that your strategy more often than not is profitable. You understand that your strategy that you've worked on for years or months, whatever the fuck, is the reason why you are here in the first place. And so when you guys take a loss, you just, like, it just doesn't mean anything at all, bro. I mean that shit. And if it does, you still have a bit of a journey to go, bro. I don't care about this shit. Now, when I go into my 5-6 trade losing streak, does it get to my head a little bit? A little bit, bro. It'll fuck with anybody. It messes with my head. I'm like, fuck, dude, the market's changing. We start to talk about market cycles and blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, bro, you just continue to stick to your strategy, and then out of nowhere, the next week, you're fucking 5-0 again. It's like, all right, baby, we back to it. And that's why I always tell you guys, during these rough patches, things will be easier if you chase higher R to R instead of just those 1-to-1s. I know it looks good. I know it's so tight to fucking post a video, and it's nothing but blues there because you were pulling out at a 1 to fucking 0.7 for the past 5 days. I know it's amazing. But it's even better to have higher money in your pockets because you took that L or you took that break-even trade because you were trying to go to 1-3, but then your next trade went to 1-3. So instead of being up 2% over the last 2 wins, one was break-even, one was up 3%. Over time, compounding this risk-to-reward trading style, you're going to be way more ahead than the 1-to-1, my guy. You just trust in the process, and I'm here for you through all of it. Okay, how do I know about these little emotions you guys are feeling? Because you guys act like I just started here, bro. I had to go through all the same shit. So did Daniel. It just you get to a certain point of understanding after a while, but things take time, my friend, just like anything. I wanted to take gold buys because one of my 1 star is when it's a low and I get an engulfing candle, I buy. And I didn't take it because of news. I'm sad, but it's okay. I don't trade news anyway. Did it happen during news or after, before news, bro? If you're not trading news, period, for the day, New York would not be the session for you to trade. We just got to get used to it, bro, and have minor rules, okay? During that heavy volume influx of orders, we're not going to trade, but afterwards or beforehand, free game, bro, run it. And more often than not, it does work for us. People quit trading after 1 loss because they overtrade and take stupid losses. I don't know anybody who trades after or quits trading after 1 loss. You know, it's just always that. I mean, I guess some people do. I think it's just the whole mindset of I need to do better. I need to accomplish it. And maybe it's just me, but bro, a losing trade just puts fire into the fuel. Like, how can I make sure that doesn't happen again? You know what I'm saying? When I go through a 4 trade losing streak and I bring that bitch back and then we go to a win streak afterwards, I feel like the shit, bro, because I stuck to my plan. EP came out with a good story yesterday. Let me see if it's still on his Instagram, and then I'll pop it up for you guys. Very good, solid point. I pick up another bag like fuck it, I'm found while I'm in it.
Yeah, by the way, I don't hear any of the music in the Zoom.
Yeah, you won't. I use Apple
Oh, yeah.
Music, and it's dude, it's fucking insanely loud. It's intense. So Spotify, which is next week, we're gonna just kind of go back and forth. I'll put Spotify music on here next week so you can hear music. You're gonna have to play your own music, sir.
I got Apple Music too.
Yeah, for some reason it doesn't mesh well with Streamlabs and Zoom together. They're two completely different volume levels. It just doesn't do well. Little weird shit you learn, bro, from Guru Lifestyle. Shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. Okay. Where my people at who beat this people? Who beat this people? Shiny object syndrome is a continual state of distraction brought on by an ongoing belief that there's something new worth pursuing. It often comes at the expense of what's already planned or underway. It's rooted in that childhood phenomenon of always wanting a new toy, even if your current toy is just fine. EP put this would be strategy hopping in trading. So it's like normal curve, okay? This green line, this is us. We have one strategy, and over time we're making these minor adjustments based upon us being stagnant or losing a bit to try to figure out how to get that win percentage up. But focusing on one thing, my brother. And look what happens to our progress over time. Now, these are the other people that you don't want to be like, okay? You have that nice little beginner's luck right here. Everything is going fucking well. You're killing it. And then, boom, you have a drop off very awfully. So instead of making these minor tweaks so that S-curve can continue higher, if you guys don't know about an S-curve, go take business, my friend. You guys look for a new strategy, that new shiny object, like you're a fucking child. I'm glad it put it in there. Like you are a child. We're adults. And so instead of working on it, progressing yourself further, you move on to the same thing. Instead of sticking to the gym, even though you haven't had results in 3 weeks, you move on to the next thing. Fucking breathing exercise. And so you take a new strategy, and the strategy starts going well because, you know, we fucking start to understand it. Good mentor, whatever. You start doing well again, and then boom, we have a drop off. You can blame it on market switching up or whatever the fuck the case may be. What it really is you haven't made that strategy true to yourself yet. You're just following whatever this influencer is trying to get you to be a part of, which may possibly work, but you have to make it unique to yourself as far as your own rules or what works for you. And you don't. You hop in a new strategy, and just like over and over and over and over again, you always try to get past this level right here, and you end up falling back down to chase the shiny new object. How do I know so well about this? Because I was that motherfucker, bro, for a while. Obviously. So just don't be that guy. Stick to one thing. I don't give a shit if you don't stick to what I'm teaching you. Fine. It's fine. If you don't mesh with what I like as far as scalping or the session I trade, you guys would rather trade during session, what's open up 8 minutes, whatever, bro, that's fine. But whatever you guys do pick, the style that you do like, stick to it, bro. And just stick to it for a while. Those minute movements will get you to progress a lot further. Sam, I always look back at my trades and see what I could do better with wins and losses. It helps a lot. Damn, that hit hard. Bro, honestly, I don't look back at my trades much at all anymore. I'm going to start again now because I got groups so we can run through group and tell them, you know, what was going on right here and blah. Ooh, what is this? Really nice setup. The breaking retest is very nice. But, like, right, I'm so in tune with my strategy and back testing and shit. Like, I just don't need to do it anymore. I'm just where I'm at now. So until I have some really bad issues go on, whether the market sentiment goes crazy or fucking everybody pulls it, whatever the fuck, I'm where I'm at, bro. This is what I'm going to be trading for the rest of my life as of this moment. I'm an open book. I'm always open to learning new things and progressing further. But as of right now, this is what's working, bro. Don't fix what's not broken. GJ 15-minute supply looks nice. GJ 15-minute supply looks alright. You talking about this one right here? Or 5-minute? Are you talking about this one right here? Or are you talking about the one that I have marked up? Bad little boss bitch. Because this is clean. You got a nice little gap sitting before it. Major high to
Yeah,
take
I got
out
a
here.
question.
What's up, bro?
Magic keys. So I don't know. I was having problems with my hardware one, so I got the on-screen one like you did.
Yeah, on screen so much
It's like
fire. I
30
love it.
bucks. Yeah. So do you have to? Well, I guess you trade MT5. I was gonna say, do you have to have auto trading enabled because it's an EA?
Yes,
And you're
algo
just using
trading up
cloud?
top. Have it enabled.
You do. Okay. Nice. Oh, yeah.
And then you also have to. Can you see this on my screen? Yeah, you have to be.
Yeah.
When you go to dependencies, allow DLL imports.
I
Okay.
bet.
And
I
then when
think
you
that's
go.
MT5.
No, MT4 too.
Okay.
Right? I don't
Yeah,
know.
I think it looks a little different though. Yeah, I gotta enable all that.
Do I still have magic keys on this MT4? I do. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is what MT5 looks like on MT4. Okay. So this is where it pops up into his imports. You got to go to common and allow DLL imports here. That's all you got to click. And obviously over here, allow live trading. And then make sure your auto trading up top is clicked. Up top of not of this screen, but your actual MetaTrader, make sure that's clicked, and then you can hop into it. I'm still very new to trading. I used to always look for the best indicator to trade with. Then I met Boogie and learned supply and demand, and it changed my trading. He's also the reason I found you. You met Boogie? Who the fuck is Boogie? Oh, my bad, bro. You're talking about my bad, bro. Let me go to my group. Boogie Down? Is that who you're talking about? The only thing I don't understand is how I trade like a pro on demo, but every time I begin a challenge, I lose psychology and can't hold trades. You do understand, bro. You're fucking shit up. I think you guys look too much into psychology, bro. Once you have your plan, quit worrying about fucking psychology, you know, these weird-ass emotions, bro. Just trade. Get your magic keys. For all you people who struggle with psychology, there's a literal software out there where you can apply everything you're doing to demo without ever even looking at the fucking thing, bro. Just do that. Quit reading so much into psychology, reading so much into you need to have the proper mindset and breath work has to be on point. You got to get the six pack and all these things outside of your life. They all have to come together before your trading comes together. It's bullshit, bro. Your trading plan is what's going to keep you profitable. All that extra shit, yeah, it's great for you and good well-being and blah, 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 but it's horse shit, bro. Quit reading so much into psychology. If you follow your plan, whether it's demo or live, and it's the same exact plan, you're going to have the same exact outcomes. The whole, oh, I'm pulling out to it, like, it's hilarious. And people are like, when you're, like, people want answers to, like, hey, bro, I need help. I'm struggling. I keep pulling out of my trade early. Stop fucking pulling out of your trade early, bro. What do you want to hear from me? You know, there's very simple answers that you guys want such complex solutions to things, and we just can't give them to you, bro. And that's why people mentors get a little mean sometimes. Like, dude, just fucking stop being a child. Follow your plan. Stick to the plan, whether it's demo or live. And you're going to see the results, whether they're good or bad. But at that point, you can do real sample size. If you guys are pulling out of things too early or cutting your position too early during wins and shit, you're never going to be able to go back and sample things because you're not trading correct in the first place. You're preaching one thing when you backtest, and then as soon as you go live, you're doing something else. How are you ever going to learn from that? Fitness only helps me with discipline and clear of mind, but not a profitable trader. And sure, fitness helps you guys with discipline. You know, a lot of people that go to the gym, I think I'm kind of there now, I guess. We don't wake up like, hey, bro, we're gonna go to the gym today. Depends on how my day is going, or if I get off at a decent time, I can go to the gym today. You just go to the gym like you go to work. We just go to the gym like you show up to the fucking markets every day. It's something that you just end up doing over time through what? Consistency, bro. Just doing it over and over and over again. Same thing you guys need to do with your strategy. Stop putting in all these weird little fucking thoughts and shit, bro, and just trade. And over time, you'll become consistent with not giving a shit about psychology and all these mental blocks and blah, 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 blah. None of it matters because at the end of the day, the markets don't care about your emotions. The market doesn't care about what headspace you're in. You're just playing off of probabilities based upon a structured plan that you've back tested in before. The market tends to repeat itself. And so you're just playing off of these repeats. That's all that's happening, bro. That's why I like to talk about technicals and trading more than psychology. Psychology does mean a lot, yes, and I know it gets you guys motivated to talk about we started from the bottom and fucking we used to do this, this, and that, and now we're catching 1 to 500s and we're rich as fuck and life has never been better and blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, it's because we stick to our solid plan, in my opinion. Psychology is 80%, trading is actually 20%. It's corny as fuck, bro, because psychology doesn't make you money, trading does. But just focus on your plan, bro. What your view on GJ says, Matrix Guide? It's a 5-minute zone. You do have a gap sitting before it. We just have so many highs to take out before coming up into, bro. That's why I was getting marked out before I just kept talking. You know a nigga likes to talk, bro. Okay, if it's over 3 lows, we don't get into the trade. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 lows before getting into the trade. And so I just am not participating in it. Sure, it could play out. And by the way, you guys are entry right now. So if you guys want to hop into this thing, go ahead. It's 15 pip stop loss. You could easily hit a 1-to-1. It's a little bit below our psychological 180-500. So once it taps this point, you probably want to put stops to break even because that is a form of support. Obviously, look what's happened in the past. The market tends to repeat itself. Okay, so it could potentially reverse off of here. Potentially. So just something you can either take out some profits right here or wait for your TP1, which is 1 pip below it, or probably tap it. But more often than not for me, when I break past multiple highs that are over 3 is already kind of pushing it, to be honest with you. I just won't take the trade because more often than not, that is going to take me out and I'm going to lose. Well, why? Well, in my opinion, it's because we're switching structure too many times. I know it's minor structure, so it's hard to see, but we're just switching structure too many fucking times to come up to our zone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 lower highs that we need to take out before coming all the way up into our supply. Now we're looking bullish as fuck to me, you know. What's good, Toes? Nice to see you in here. I'm in a fire guy to learn from. Appreciate you, Boogie Down. Thank you. But you guys could absolutely get in. You just had a nice wick to the bottom side. What's that? Sheesh, yeah, it was. You get a nice little profit here, bro. Okay, so for people who need specific rules, 12.6 pips. This is now going to be 13.6 pips. But I would go higher to like a little 14 pips. It's got to be a little bit above it, bro. And here you guys are melting down to a 1-to-1 here, which it is actually at psychological level. My bad. Okay, I hope Matrix God hopped into this bitch. But it just doesn't follow my rules, so I just won't take it, bro. Looks so clean now. Now I'm like, oh, fuck. Why didn't we take it? It's all good. Session just opened 2 minutes ago, by the way, guys. So you might get good volume just to hit TP1 right away, immediately. Oh, by the way, let's not cap here. This is not a capping stream, bro. Everything I hear is live, solid, and raw, bro. There ain't gonna be no capping around here, sir. And let's maintain that throughout the years. If you guys start to follow me for the next couple years or whatever, one thing we always need to maintain is that real results, real trading, no fluffy bullshit. We'll have some fun sometimes with giveaways or getting guests on stream to say what's up, but I want everything to be real. And if we have a guest who hops on here and he's capped, bro, we need to call it out, bro. We need to be the change of the industry. There's a lot of bullshit going on out there. There's a lot of salesmen doing the job of a trader. You know what I'm saying? I'm a salesman. I'm doing the job of a trader. TP1 almost hit on this trade, so now we can delete this not in and put I'm in. Yeah, bummer. Hope you took that trade, Matrix. GU here, nothing's going on, bro. We're just continuing higher, making new highs here. AUD USD, nothing's going on. NAS, nothing is going on. So this is probably gonna be it for me, bro. Give me a second. A lot of salesmen doing the job of a trader is crazy POV. Yeah, I could talk about that, except that I'm a salesman too, so we'll keep that one in the books for ourselves, Eric. Currently in on personal. Took one L already for the funded. It's all good, brother. Currently in on personal. For GJ you got in? Why wouldn't you hop in on the funded, bro? That's what y'all be doing too. Listen, we got to talk about this too, bro. If you guys have a personal account and you guys have a funded account, you should be taking the same trades off of it. For some weird out of this fucking world idea, when people are taking a challenge, they take higher probability setups than they do on their own real capital funded or live capital money. It's really fucking weird to me. I understand this could potentially be 100K and this is only 300 bucks. And she's like, oh, I'll lose 300 bucks or whatever, but this 100K got to do my most high probability setup. There's no money here, bro. You're taking a fucking challenge. Why are we going to take 3 trades on this account, but we're only going to take 1 trade on this account every day? These things just don't make sense. This is that, whatever, psychological block bullshit you guys be talking about, bro. Take the same trades. If we're not going to take the same trade on the funded as we're going to take on our live personal account, then just don't fucking take the trade, bro. Okay? Let's keep it simple here. Got all these bitches stressing me. But anyways, I'm not taking another trade today, guys. This is Matrix call right here. He's already hit TP1. Matrix is a part of Zen Lab, so we all hit TP1 together. Do you feel me? But that's all, guys. Every day, 7:30 a.m. I will see you guys then. Thank you everybody for showing up. I think this is the most people I've had in the Zoom since we started, so I really appreciate that. We had 7 people. We have 6 people right now. Somebody just left. So thank you guys all for showing up. We are growing. We're doing well, and things are moving forward. Yes, we took an L today, but we're still 5-1 for the month. We're trading at 83%, and we come back tomorrow and we follow the same exact plan, bro. Shooters shoot, and shooters win. If you never try, you can never do anything. So you guys take care. Have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Shake your head in. Drop. With your best friend. Stop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. Y'all be fucking, hoe. Drop. Shake your head in. Stop. With your best friend. Drop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. Y'all be fucking, hoe.
Okay, my bitch go to school. She a good girl, but she still shaking ass and titties. Let's go. She gon' act like it's Magic City. As soon as she get out of class, I hit. Let's go. I be running from home. Get 'em off me. Wait outside my hotel. Bitch, stalk me. If she think we gon' chill, that bitch lost me. No, really with that for real, you just talk. Let's go. Gotta watch what you do with that ass. Can't let you get close, you know I got that 40. Watch out. She call me a bro when she horny. I'm in love like T-Pain, I'ma call her my short. Bitch, ass make a whole lot of noise when I fuck from the back and they clap, it's annoying. Let's go. This bitch want a real nigga, he born. She make that ass jump out the gym like it's Jordan. That bitch gon' make it.
Drop. Shake your head in.
Let's go.
Drop. With your best
That
friend.
ain't your best friend, you need to
Stop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. Y'all be fucking, hoe. Drop. Shake your head in. Stop. With your best friend. Drop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. Y'all be fucking, hoe. He think we family, we not. We friends. I be burning up the top. I call her sis, she want the dick. We went half on the spot. We phone her friends together. She my homegirl, whatever. She got a nigga, she in love, but I be fucking on her better. Yeah, I'm a friend. I wanna fuck her again. Introduce me as a brother friend. This big cap, we pretend 10. These hoes got so much game, you niggas be lame. Get out your feelings, you should be ashamed. Little bitch from the hood, I took her to wife and got her a chain. Call her my twin, she with the gang. I am. That nigga. Big old scrapper, chick big. Truck 4 wheel worth 6 figures. Beverly Hill residence, 8 figures. New RAM, that's 200. Just touch a meal, I been done it. Fucking on a bitch from the back, smack on the ass, bumping 3-6, who run it? Drop. Shake your head in. Drop. With your best friend. Stop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. Y'all be fucking, hoe. Drop. Shake your head in. Stop. With your best friend. Drop. That ain't your cousin, hoe. That ain't your brother, hoe. be fucking hoe.
Oh Lord, Jetson made another one. I been done right through another nigga city. I got a brand new Draco with me. Clip got 33, Scotty Pippen, bitch. Nigga ain't heard of me, I got a rich. Drippin' my sweat, Givenchy. I brought my strap in the party. And my diamonds all set like Cardi. Got a bad bitch with me, she a Barbie. You don't wanna start with me. Got some hood niggas posting in a Jordan. I have his nigga on back of a carton. Spin Larry Bird, 33 on Cartier. I got 33 bitches with me. I'ma flow through the city, sipping on some Chardonnay. Fucking, I'ma buying out the bar today. Fucking, I'm buying out Barney's, yay. I'ma hang with the gangbangers, he only hang with the feds and the rats and the mice. If my young nigga pull up with the bullets, I'ma pull up with the strap. We gon' get him on sight. We gon' make a thriller like Mike. Car candy painted Mike and Night. And my diamonds looking like a light. I'ma fly private like a kite. Got a Bentley Cooper, I been right through another nigga city. I got a brand new Draco with me. Clip got 33, Scotty Pippen, bitch. Nigga ain't heard of me, I got a rich. Drippin' my sweat, Givenchy. I brought my strap in the party. And my diamonds all set like Cardi. Got a bad bitch with me, she a Barbie. You don't wanna start with me. No, you don't wanna start with me. Niggas pull up with Glock AKs and tests, running up your whole block like a full court press. No, you don't wanna start with me. No, you don't wanna start with me. I know cold-hearted demons, they can smell your flesh. Walk up on a pussy nigga, shoot him dead in the chest. No, you don't wanna start with me. Made a lot of plays, hood got J's, I kept me a bag, was a heart in it. Brother made a name, now I get paid for a stage, I keep a good talk with me. Executive A, black president, Escalade, bulletproof with a bar in it. Go against it, it gon' be a heart in it. I fucked the left, I hope it ain't no hard feelings. Was broken for this house, started drug dealing. Get some millions, it'll make a nigga love living. Introducing my little niece and nephew, love 20s. Me and Roddy gotta get it out the mud business. Made 100 racks on the C-Day. Made $1 million on a weekday. 15,000 on the cheap day. Whipping up dope like a deep dish. Junkies outside, no rebates. I been done right through another nigga city. I got a brand new Draco with me. Clip got 33, Scotty Pippen, bitch. Nigga ain't heard of me, I got a rich. Drippin' my sweat, Givenchy. I brought my strap in the party. And my diamonds all set like Cardi. Got a bad bitch with me, she a Barbie. You don't wanna start with me. Hot girl like Arizona. Plug in Colombia, my diamonds in Africa. I'm life for the DA. Groupies been fucking my DJ. And shawty had her ass on her.